Welcome to the next section in CIST 1100. During this module, we're going to learn a bit about programming type logic. We're going to be using a product called Visual Logic, which draws the flowcharts for you. Many people have negative comments about flowcharting, but this one's easy because you pick and choose what you want, type in the code, and it is executable, which means you can check out your logic. This is in a great contrast to the old-fashioned way of having to draw your flowchart yourself and step through it yourself. The card for the subscription was available at the bookstore. If you did not get it from the bookstore, you can get it through the internet. Order it. It takes 2 or 3 days to get here. The website is cengage.com, Cengage. You can also look for an external link in Blackboard. Okay, once you've gotten your card, you open it up. The subscription code is inside it. We're going to be filling in this screen here. However, what I would recommend that you do is put a copy of that code into Notepad, save it several different places, because if you lose this or that or the other thing, you can just re-enter this code and get it sent to you again. The letters that are in this code are the numbers 0 through 9 and the letters A through F. So for instance, this was my original code. This is an E0, not an EO. So I've saved that so I can cut and paste and make the video go just a little bit faster. I'm going to copy this. Now, when you go to sign up for getting this software, the name of the website is visuallogic.org/course. Notice it's a .org, not a .com. I've already got it on the screen. If you are retaking this course, you may need to have a newer version of the software, and there's a spot there to get it. Later on, if you have lost your subscription file that they sent you, you can just click here and get it back to you quickly. It'll download it on the spot. So, you get the screen like this. You need to fill it in with a PIN code. I'm going to paste it. Your first and last name. Do it in proper case, please, with a space in between it. Probably your UNO email address. University of Nebraska at Omaha, instructor's name. And then make up a question. This is if you want to change your email address after you leave here and find that this is useful. Make up a question, any question. What city do you live in? Obviously Omaha. So something like that. Then we can click submit. I will probably get an error because I've already submitted this before, but we'll see what happens. Okay, PIN code already consumed. So I want to have mine resent to me, so I will repaste that code in there again. Do you want to save it? Yeah, let's save it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Okay. Hit back. Down at the bottom of this screen is a link for downloading the software. We could have used it up there. Also, I think it's the same place. You can download a zipped version. I've never tried it because I never had any problem. So I'm going to choose option 1, right-click to download, save target as. I'm going to save it on my desktop. You can also save it to your thumb drive. You can put a copy of it in digital Dropbox and Blackboard. Likewise, your signature file, which I just downloaded. Okay. Let's close out now. In the next segment, we will start the software and use our signature file to be able to save documents. End of this section.